The other thing to think about is, where are you in your overall life? And what are you looking for with your investment property? Are you looking to be more active, or are you looking for this to be truly a passive income? You purchase it and you don't really think about it other than once in a while approving an expense and looking at your bank account and seeing it grow. So
we like bank accounts growing.
We do. I think everyone does. And I think that second is where, kind of touching on my parents' condo, helps paint that picture. My parents are retired, and when they sold some of their farmland, they decided to utilize a 1031 exchange and purchase a condo here in Old Town Scottsdale to rent as an unfurnished long-term rental. And when we went back and forth on, should we manage it for them? Should they be managing it? Should we get a property management company? What makes the most sense? For them, it makes sense to have a property management company. Yes, it costs 8% for them, but they don't want to be actively investing and managing a property. They're retired. This is just another source of passive income that comes in every month.
And let's be honest, that would be us managing that property.
Exactly. And for them, they pay 8%. They don't have to think about anything. They have a home warranty in place. The property management company has the home warranty information to turn in claims, and they only contact my parents if a repair is going to be over a certain dollar threshold that you set. Otherwise, the property management company arranges for all the repairs to be done, and when they get their monthly amount, it's just minus whatever they had for expenses.
Yeah. And so obviously, we've touched on, I guess, the more traditional, and, we don't have time to get deep into it, but if you are ever interested in, some of the tax benefits too of owning investment properties, I mean, those can be incredibly massive, especially depending on the home and the circumstance. We do have a full team of partners that we work with, and we can always hook you up with the CPA to talk to understand that piece. And also on the lending side, if you are buying a home as a short-term rental and you're out of state, there's a good chance that you can write that as a second home, and then you're going to have more than likely a lower interest rate, and you could have a lower down payment as well. So
we have lenders and CPAs we can connect you with to help you make that decision. And one thing I think you'll see with both Geoff and I is we're open books. We love talking about investing in real estate and investments as a whole. So if you have any questions at all, or you're even thinking about, should I start dabbling? Should I put my foot into the investment world? Or you're thinking, how do I grow and take my investment portfolio to the next level? Reach out to us. We're more than happy to open our QuickBooks even, show you exactly what it is we've done through the years, what are the expenses, all of that. And we'd love nothing more than to visit with you about it. So any questions at all, definitely reach out to us. I can be contacted at 480-387-3990, and feel free to give me a call or just shoot me a text. Look forward to hearing from you.